Hello everyone, welcome to Monty Excel, Excel in Life. Wherever you are in this world, we all speak one language called Excel. In today's short video, we will see how to open Excel very quickly. Of course, there are multiple ways of opening your Excel application. Either you can go from the start menu to open the Excel, or you can search from the search in order to find your Excel application. But today I'm going to show you a very quick Excel hack through which you can open Excel with a shortcut key. So for that, what you do is search for your Excel application from the start menu, go for its properties. All right, open the file location and find your Excel application, then go to properties. Once you go to the properties, there is a shortcut key here, which you can mention your own shortcut key. Ensure that that shortcut key is not existing in the Windows application. So for that, what I'm using is Control Shift. You can use anything. Let's say I'm using Control Shift here, right? On the keyboard, then you are using any letter, let's say C. Control Shift C. Now I have made a shortcut of my own in order to open Excel application on my computer screen. So let me apply this and say continue. There is a warning, click continue to complete this operation, say continue and say OK and close. Now, if you want to open the application, now what you can say is Control Shift C. It will quickly open your Excel application on your computer screen. If you find this video informative, then click on like button and make sure to subscribe to Monty Excel. The best is yet to come. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.